Hello Interlink miners, I greet you all according to your time. So in this video, let me show you how you can be able to do your Interlink KYC from the beginning till the end, especially in Interlink network. The first thing after opening our account, tap on verify, and then you tap on verify again. Then it will open the next page. In the next page, the first thing you are going to do is to tap on view list corrector, right? Once you tap on view list corrector to select your own validator, then you select your country. For where you are going to select your corrector, make sure you select your country or you select the AI correctors. You can see we have Grok, we have Cloud, we have Artemis, and we have ChatGPT. You can select them because there's some countries that doesn't have corrector at all. In the last video we did, I suggested that if you don't have any corrector in your country, you should use any of these corrector. Then you select one of these corrector. Let me tap on apply on this particular one. So the next thing we are going to do is to wait. So after selecting the corrector, you have to wait for the queue to reach your own turn after choosing it. So after choosing your corrector, make sure that in the next 24 hours you are active to check if your KYC if your corrector has already accepted for you to do your KYC. Now, many people are asking, how will I know if corrector have selected me? What will happen is that they are going to send notification to you right here. You will see your KYC turn has arrived. Within 24 hours, you can complete your KYC or else it's going to expire. Once you see this notification, you enter your Interlink app and then you put all your information for KYC. But one thing you should know, don't always wait for notification before you open your Interlink app to do it. You can be taking time to time in order for you to confirm if they have given you chance to do your own KYC. So let's move to the next step. But after that, you are going to see how many hours is remaining after they select your own turn. You will see it right here, exactly like this one. Once you're prepared, you tap on it and tap on upload document. This is the first step you're going to take. And then the second thing, you select your country. Then you select your own document, type of document. You put your national ID card, whether you're going to use a slip or you want to use standard slip, any of them. You select the first one. If you're using international passport, then you select it. If you're using national ID, you select them. Then you tap right here to put the picture you have already scanned, or maybe you scan your own card, right? You upload your ID card and make sure the picture is very, very clear. There's nothing hidden, and also make sure that there's not any blurry screen in the video you're making or the picture you're taking. All right, so don't do this in the night. Make sure you're doing it daytime. Then the next step you're going to do is to upload the other one too, right? So as you're seeing right here, for taking your own ID card, make sure you go back. You go back and give your ID card chance to appear the whole angles, right? Put the front one and the back one. After submitting it, then you're going to see verification in progress. Now, after seeing your verification in progress, you have to wait for them to verify this first step. Now, after verifying this first step, they are going to give you the second step. Now, we are going to the step 2 right now. Let's wait for the step 2. Once you are verified, you are going to see notification KYC has been arrived, right? So submit your document within 24 hours. Now, if you are prepared, this is the second KYC you're going to do. You tap on the notification once you are prepared. Then you hold your own ID card. And then also, after holding your ID card in the right hand, in the left hand, you are going to write Interlink in the other paper. You are going to use paper to write Interlink and write all the dates, right? You write the current date and then you upload it. So you can set your camera to make sure you snap it exactly the way you're seeing it in the picture. The other hand, you are going to put Interlink and date. The other one is your ID card. Once you select the picture, after doing that, then you send and submit, right? One thing you should know, just like exactly the first one, taking pictures and putting it right here, that's how exactly this one is going to be. Make sure the ID card is also very clear, the way even them can view it, or any system they are using can easily view it. All right. Now again, then you tap right here in review. You can see in review, you have to wait for it to turn green like this one. So after the second one turn green, then they are going to give you the last KYC step, which is the step 3. Once they give you chance like this, then you tap on upload document again. Then you have to make a picture, right? Snap a picture where you're holding your own Interlink account. You open your Interlink app and let your balance and show your balance to the camera. Then you snap exactly the way they will see your available balance. This is the last step you are going to take. You make sure you hold your own. You can use another phone to snap yourself, holding your account balance, your Interlink account balance in the picture. Once you put this one, then you put the picture and then you upload, right? You upload this one. So let's go. All right. Let's select the picture, just exactly holding our available balance. All right, we thank God. Right now we have already submitted everything. Also, this step 3, you have to wait as you are seeing verification in progress. So once you see this one like this, just know that you have already completed all the steps for Interlink KYC. You have passed 3 verification level and will be verified in few times, so you can see it, right? So make sure if your own is verified, you're going to see these 3 steps. All of them are verified. So this is how to do Interlink verification. If you know you really benefit from this content and the process, don't forget to like this video, comment and share, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Don't forget, this is your boy Crypto Guru. Share to other people that need it. This is the easiest steps.